Hi guys, I'm Cheryl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So in today's video, I wanted to do something different that I've never done before. I was watching Steph Does Life, I think that's her name. I'm gonna link her channel down below. She was doing a video haul and she was wearing just yellow eyeshadow and black eyeliner. And I thought it was so pretty. And I've never done anything like that, especially with yellow, because I'm a little afraid of yellow. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it. So that's why I decided to do this video. I went through all my palettes trying to find the best yellow. You'll see in the video all the swatches. And I'm actually happy how it turned out. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi guys. So I already finished my foundation. I used for primer the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer, and for foundation I used the number 7 shade Cool Vanilla. I powdered with the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder shade 612. And I did my eyebrows. So I'm ready to try and use yellow eyeshadow, which I've never done because I'm a little afraid of yellow eyeshadow, and I don't think I've ever tried it except for maybe once, and I didn't like the way it looked on me, and that was a long time ago. I don't remember what palette it was or anything, and it just doesn't seem to show up on my skin tone. But I have a couple of palettes here that have really bright yellows. I'm gonna show you all three. From this Caliente palette, Artist Couture, there's one in here, this shade right here. The first one. From the Pure collection with Raw Beauty Christy, we have this one. From Ace Beauté, we have another yellow. So I don't know which one to try. Let me see. This is from Caliente palette. This one's from the Pure. It's more mustardy. And from the Ace Beauté, this one. So hard to decide. I think I'm going to use the Ace Beauté one. I'm just going to put that all over my lid and above my crease. Scared. I mean, what could happen? It fails, you laugh, I cry, everybody wins. I'm going to pack it on first. Ooh. I've never done a look like this. This is actually another palette that I've only used once. So I have to try another look with it. Well, this would be my second. Here I was thinking I didn't have a bright yellow, and I did. I'm gonna blend this higher. My fear is that I start blending it and it will disappear. Don't want that to happen. You know what this reminds me of also? From makeup from the 1960s, I think it was. They would do similar makeup to this with a big, thick wing eyeliner. Okay, I think that's enough yellow. What I'm gonna do now is just add a little bit of dimension down here with a light color. I'm gonna use this one right here. These two. Now for the fun part, the eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So for lashes, I use the Ardell in the style 861. I'm going to quickly bronze and put on blush. I'm using my usual. For lips, I'm going to use a Dose of Colors in shade Flirty. So I'm actually happy how it turned out, and it's quite simple. So if you're afraid of bright colors and just one shade that's really bright, like yellow or orange or hot pink, just go for it. Just do it at least once, and then you know if you like it or not. I really like the way it turned out, so I'm happy with that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!